You might choose to use test categories in your It's Learning assessment, but, but it is completely optional. This webpage goes over how to set up test categories for your test and why you might use them. The reason you might use test categories is if you want to make a large question bank of questions and the questions come from different categories, and then you want to weight different categories differently, or you want to have a bank of questions from different categories and only choose a few questions from each category for your test. So for example, this person has written 2 questions for lesson 1, 2 questions for lesson 2, and 2 questions for lesson 3. And they are going to decide how many questions of those 2 questions they want to use for any given assessment. So if you're interested in using this tool, you should look through this website and experiment with how to use test categories. But again, this is an optional tool and it is not necessary to use.